Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Ruko F11MINI drone with camera 4K. A lightweight marvel that weighs under 250 grams and requires no FAA registration. This drone is perfect for both beginners and seasoned flyers, boasting a 4K UHD camera that captures stunning photos and smooth 2.7K videos, all while offering real-time 2K video transmission up to 1,640 feet away. With a remarkable 60 minutes of flight time provided by two intelligent batteries, you can enjoy extended flying sessions, making it ideal for professional photographers and hobbyists alike. The Ruko F11MINI is equipped with intelligent GPS flight features such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, ensuring a seamless flying experience, and it will automatically return home if the battery is low or the signal is weak. Its brushless motor guarantees stable hovering indoors and outdoors, with a flight range of up to 393 feet and a takeoff altitude of 6,561 feet. Designed with beginners in mind, it includes a camera cover for protection, one-tap takeoff and landing, and an emergency landing function, all controlled by a responsive two-way rechargeable controller. For optimal performance, remember to use the Ruko charger and avoid chargers with an output higher than 12 volts. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.